Hey guys, Chris from Florida Drone Supply. We wanted to do a quick video about the Teledyne FLIR SIRAS in regards to controller and firmware versions. We have been flying and selling the SIRAS for over a year now, and we have seen many upgrades to the flight experience, and we must say that flying the SIRAS now, compared to 12 months ago, is a massive difference in control, stability, and performance. In early December, Teledyne FLIR sent out a safety bulletin regarding older flight controllers and older versions of the flight control firmware. If you haven't already, please update your SIRAS aircraft to the latest firmware, which is 1.16.65. To check your firmware version, click the three-dot menu at the top right of the main screen, select the About menu, and your firmware version will be right there. If it is not .65, stop what you're doing and download the latest firmware, which will be in the link in the description below. Older versions of the flight control firmware have a feature where their aircraft will go into an attitude mode even if a small amount of radio or magnetic interference is detected during flight. This can be very surprising to pilots, so starting with firmware 1.16.59, this behavior was removed and replaced with a better method for controlling the aircraft when interference is detected. Make sure you are running the 1.16.65, the latest release, which not only removes this original behavior, but also activates Remote ID, which is now required for commercial drones. Teledyne FLIR also found that some of the original controllers were made with improperly installed GPS antennas, meaning the GPS will be slow to connect or not at all. A couple of pilots with this issue decided to take off in attitude mode, and when they could not get a GPS connection, they did have aircraft malfunctions. These original controllers also have a transistor in them, which leads to a less responsive stick command, something that has been upgraded in the newer models. And while this is not a safety issue, it is a less than optimal flight experience. To address these two controller issues, Teledyne FLIR is exchanging all of the older controllers. You can continue to fly your SIRAS provided you get a GPS lock prior to flight, but do not take off in attitude mode if you do not. To determine if you have an older controller or not, go to the link on the safety bulletin and enter the last 8 digits of the drone serial number. You will receive an instant reply as to whether or not you should replace your controller. Directions are provided in the bulletin for how to contact Teledyne FLIR and get a new controller, and Teledyne FLIR will pay all shipping costs. The safety bulletin can be found in the link in the description below. And again, you can continue to fly your SIRAS with the original controller as long as you are on the latest firmware, which once again is the .65 version, and you can achieve a GPS lock prior to flight. Should you get stuck along the way and need help from us here on your SIRAS, you can give us a call or email anytime. Florida Drone Supply has been working closely with Teledyne FLIR on this exchange program, and we will continue to support everyone along the way. Make sure to subscribe to get the latest updates, news, and enhancements to the SIRAS and many other drones that we sell, and make sure you register your SIRAS with Teledyne FLIR so you can get the latest product news, firmware updates, and more information. And you can register your SIRAS at FLIR.com/SIRAS. We thank you for watching this video. We hope it was informative, and if you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.